Is your Vizio TV refusing to turn on? Maybe you're just seeing a blank screen, or there's no sound at all. Don't worry, you're not alone. And honestly, the fix might be easier than you think. Let's walk through some simple solutions together. Let's start with the remote. Sometimes the problem isn't the TV, it's the controller. Make sure nothing is blocking the sensor. Replace the batteries or try using a different remote. If you have a smartphone, you can even use a remote control app to test it out. Still not working? Try power cycling the remote. Just remove the batteries, press every button once to drain any leftover power, then put the batteries back in. This quick reset often brings remotes back to life. Before going to the next fix, here's what you want to see: the power indicator light on your TV. If it's flashing or doesn't respond when you press the power button, it could be a hardware or power issue. Alright, if there's no hardware or power issue, let's go to the next solution. Try a soft reset. Here's how: turn off your TV, unplug it, and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 15 seconds. Then wait 1 full minute before plugging it back in. This can clear up small glitches without deleting your settings. If your TV turns on but shows a blank screen, it might be in what's called screen off mode. That's often used with audio apps. Just press and hold the mute button on the remote for about 4 seconds to turn the screen back on. If nothing has worked so far, you might want to try a factory reset. This will erase your settings, but honestly, it can fix deeper software issues. Look for the volume down and input buttons on your TV. They're usually on the side or back. Hold both for about 15 seconds. When prompted, press just the input button for another 10 seconds to start the reset. If your TV still won't turn on after all these steps, it might be time to contact Vizio support. But don't give up. Most issues have simple fixes. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.